Alright guys, I'm not doing nothing with the throttle on this. It's sitting at almost 1200 RPMs. That's all the way down. Let me get the shade so it's a little, you can see a little better. I just put my foot on the brake. Sounds like it dropped a cylinder. It's not firing one cylinder. Put my foot on the brake, brought it down. Hear it? It's doing that on its own. I'm not doing that. I got one hand on the phone, one hand over here. I don't have three hands. And the brake pedal. It's missing on a cylinder. Throttle's all the way down. Let me grab it and I'll throttle it up. Still sitting island high. It's off. That's off. She's got to knock every once and then. Not very often. Let's see what it does now. It just went through a little fit and it came out of it. She seems to be doing okay now. It's the first time that's ever happened. No change in RPM. What I was doing is I was cultivating some corn at about 1500 RPMs in second gear, and I was just chucking along. And my cultivator is a homemade one. It's just made out of rebar tines, so it's not heavy drag on this tractor. And I have very, very sandy, it's almost just like pure sand soil. And it came out of it. I wonder if I just didn't have a little crap in my diesel fuel, maybe a little bit of water or something, but you would think that there would be a water light on or during the fuel filter. It's had a new fuel filter put on. I just broke 101 hours. 101.4 hours. Yeah, that's odd. It started knocking every once in a while I was idling. It would just click, click, click and come right back. Click, 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 come right back. The RPM would go up and down a little bit, and then it just started doing that as I was unhooking my my homemade cultivator, and then it wouldn't throttle up.